Hello friends, today we will discuss environment and ecology. The topics will be the whole. From biology, the topics will be ferula as foetida, hexapod, total fertility rate. From agriculture, topics will be maize, sandalwood. From art and culture, Padmavati temple. From economy, the cash reserve ratio. Geography, Gangotri National Park. Extract nickel, strawberry moon. From polity, enforcement directorate, article 143 in constitution, the central pollution control board. From technology, topics will be drones, survey, international and reports, the International Year of the Women Farmer in 2026, State of the World Population 2025. First section, Environment and Ecology. The dhole is a Canadian native to South East and Southeast Asia. It is listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List. Now, biology section. It is a heme plant, scientifically known as Ferula foetida, and it is endemic to southern Iran. Right, and it is in India. It is making efforts to cultivate this plant, and the first flowering and seed set of heme is seen in Palampur on 28th May 2025 by CSIR. So one thing you should be clear that it is not traditionally grown in the country. So option can be given that it is traditionally grown in India. Hexapod, and its scientific name is Ballestura fetoides, and it is discovered recently with complete mitochondrial DNA. Total fertility rate. It is the average number of children, hypothetically, of women would have at the end of their reproductive period. Now we will discuss agriculture section. Maize is the tall stout grass that produces cereal grain. You have to remember that it is a stout grass. It can be used for animal feed and corn starch making, corn syrup, corn oil, alcoholic beverages, and chemical feedstocks, and including ethanol making, which can be classified as biofuels. Sandalwood is a class of wood from trees in the genus Santalum, right? The another specialty is that sandalwood are medium-sized hemiparasitic trees. Remember this statement, very important. And they distribute throughout Southeastern Asia, Australia, and islands of South Pacific. Now, art and culture section. Padmavati temple is dedicated to deity Padmavati and is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Now we will discuss economy section. The cash reserve ratio is a monetary policy tool used by central banks, right, to control money supply and manage inflation. and mandates banks to manage this inflation and money supply to hold a certain percentage of deposit as reserves with the central bank. Now we will discuss geography section. Gangotri National Park is a national park in Uttarakashi or Uttarakhand. Its habitat consists of mainly coniferous forest, extract nickel. Here you used to learn the extraction of nickel from low grade ore by using hydrogen plasma instead of carbon, which is a sustainable method. And in India, substantial nickel laterite reserves, particularly in Odisha's Spinda region. This deposit contains 0.4 to 0.9% nickel as nickeliferous limonite in chromite mine. Strawberry moon. It occurred on June 11, 25 in the northern hemisphere. Very important, remember this statement, in the northern hemisphere. And in some Native American tribes refer this as a mark or indication of sweet strawberry harvest season. Now we will discuss polity. Enforcement Directorate operates under the Department of Revenue, right, and Ministry of Finance. Primary mandate is to enforce two key laws, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, and is tasked with implementing the Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018. Article 143. If at any time that to the present situation arises that a question of law or a fact which arises regarding the law and the public importance, and President can open regarding that situation or question regarding the law from the Supreme Court. Central Pollution Control Board statutory organization was constituted in September 1974 under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, and further it was entrusted with the powers and functions under the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Now we will discuss technology section. Drones are classified into four main types. One is single rotor, multi-rotor, fixed wing, and hybrid vertical takeoff and landing drones. Applications of drones are like aerial photography, videography, inspections, aerial mapping, surveillance, agriculture applications. Cervac is vaccine for disease caused by human papilloma virus among women of age 26, and it includes the cervical, vulvar, vaginal and anal cancer caused by human papilloma virus of type 16 and 18. International relations or reports. The United Nations General Assembly declared 2026 as the International Year of the Woman Farmer, and the resolution celebrates the role of women in global agriculture and raising awareness of their challenges, which includes property rights and market access. So this is what the major points of this International Year of the Woman Farmer 2026. Now, state of the world population 2025, or you can say the report, the real fertility crisis, calls for a shift from panic or falling fertility to addressing unmet reproductive goals. So it mainly want to focus that the states or millions of individuals are not able to realize their real fertility goals. So this is what real crisis mean by, according to this report. Thank you.